Now here's a question where you're asked to add. When you're adding, you need to get a lowest common denominator. So first thing I'll do is factor each of the denominators. I think I can 3x and an x to get 27, 9 and 5. Yeah, 9 and 5. So 3x plus 5, x plus 9, plus x plus 7 over factoring a 9 out. So it looks like the lowest common denominator is going to have 3x plus 5 in it, an x plus 9 in it, and a 9. So this one has to get multiplied by 9 too. And then I have x plus 7 over 9 times x plus 9. So I need on this one to have a 3x plus 5. Same thing on the top, 5. Okay, so since I'm adding, I don't have to worry about that dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative. So I'll just write my denominator because now it's common. And then on the top, I'll multiply those through. So 9x squared minus 27, and then plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 21x plus 35. Okay, simplifying, I'll get these two, that's 12x squared, and then the x's plus 26x, and then the numbers, that'd be plus 8, over my lowest common denominator, 3x plus 9. Where did I get 3x plus 9? It should be 5. 3x plus 5, I don't think that mistake caused any other grief. Okay, then the last thing I do is try and factor this top thing. I can pull a 2 out, leaving 6x squared plus 13x plus 4 over this other stuff times 9. 2 won't go into 9, so I can't do anything there. Here, I could try and factor, so 6 times 4 is 24. Things that multiply to 24 and add to 13. 8 and 3, 6 and 4, 12, 2, not going to happen. So I would probably leave it like this, although if you can't factor the whole thing, maybe this is how they want it written. And I think that's what you had.